on the virtual lab. So okay, so we will go for the I already discussed the theoretical part and in the theory lecture also. So we will see here, go for the simulator. So what are the process to perform the experiment? Click here for simulator. Okay, that you will come to the slcoep vlab.ac, this one. See, in this control panel, how to perform the experiment. That is, you can see resistance temperature detector with head. This is the static characteristic. So we are going to perform the static characteristic. In case of this, there are four different material is there. So for that material, we have to plot the graph. Okay, so first of all, we will select the platinum, that you can see here the alpha, the value is given 0.00385 and temperature range is given -200 to 850 degrees Celsius. Now we will select this R0. If you are taking the 100, then after you just click to the temperature. So we are getting 668 degrees Celsius. Okay, and we have to for plotting the graph, we have to consider the three different measurement is to be required and enter output RT value. So first of all, you have to calculate the RT value, then and then only you will get the answers, otherwise you will not. So how to calculate this? The formula we already know. If you want to check the formula, you just click on this formula. So after clicking of this, you will get this formula where RT is R01 plus 1 alpha T. And that also we have seen in the theoretical part, the equation for calculating the RT, where the RT is the resistance at measurement temperature. So RT, the temperature is 6 at R68 degrees Celsius. We have to find out the value. So we need to calculate. So we will calculate the value of this particular things, which is, we'll calculate one RT. The value of RT is nothing but is 100. Okay, and 1 plus alpha and T is 668 degrees Celsius. So we will calculate the value. We are taking 668 into 0.00385. It will be 2.5718 plus 1. So it will be 3.5718, and we will multiply with the 100. Why 100? Because the value of R0 is 100. So into 100, it will be 357. 357.18. Now we'll submit it and we'll check answer, whether answer is correct or wrong. Now see, it's come correct. It means our answer is correct. Now we'll go for the next set value. Okay, we will take the next set value. So get the temperature. The second one is, we are getting this 569 degrees Celsius. 569 into 0.00385, which is the alpha. The value of alpha is given. It's come 2.19 plus 1 into method we are going to follow, where the value will becomes 319.065. Submit it. We are getting the correct answers. Next, we will go for the temperature, that is -126 degrees Celsius, because temperature range is -200 to 850 degrees Celsius. In case of this minus, so here we will get 126 into 0.00385. It is 0.485, because but value are getting in minus. So we will consider this minus 1. It will be point into 100. It will be 51.49. The value will be 51.49. We will submit it the correct. We are getting the correct. So three different value, then we are plotting the graph. Just we will click on the plot. So you will get the graph in this form. Now you can see here the temperature versus resistance, where we are taking the three different values for the range. One is this one, -126 degrees Celsius. The value is 51.149. And second, we are taking the 319 value is 569 degrees Celsius, and third one is the 668. So based on that, we are plotting the graph temperature versus resistance. So this is all about to perform the experiment. Just we will close this, and we will go for this level 2. In the level 2 with seat bare, the time constant is 1.1 second. So now you will get this automatically. You, as shown in the figure, it is showing like the bare is the material, where material is platinum again. So this is the bare with sealed, then it will come like this, because that temperature resistant work in the like a thermocouple material. With three different material is given, SS304 if we are selecting. Thickness we are taking 1 mm, that you can take different also. So time constant for this is 4.13 second, because we have to plot the graph in this case also. Thermowell, now we will plot this one. Again we will select this. Thickness was taking 1 mm. Filling material is MgO powder. The time constant for this is 11.33 second. Okay, now we'll plot the graph. Now you see this, we are getting the temperature versus time for this bare, that we will click in this, the bare will be there. Okay, this is for the with seal, and this is a thermowell. So temperature versus graph you can plot. Okay, so this is whole about the temperature versus time. In the virtual lab we are just plotting the graph. Now this is the level 1 and level 2 we already do. If you want to change this, you can go for this silicon compound. The timing only will change, and you can plot the graph. Now you see this. Similar method we have to do. Okay, now we'll go for the reload. So it will come to the this phase. You can go for this another metal, that will be copper. So the value of alpha will going to change, and same process we have to follow. The R0 you take 200 and get temperature. So 198 degrees Celsius, same formula you have to use, and based on that you have to find out the value and to plot the graph. Okay,